Hi. So I hope you all are doing well. So here is another interesting question on factorization. So our question seems very much a mixture of too many variables like a square x cube 8a square. It has a coefficient of 8, okay, a square, and y cube, then minus x cube plus 8 upon y cube. Now how do we go about so that we can get their factors, resolve to factors? Okay, so first I have copied the question, and now let us start with it. So grab a pen and paper and let's do it together. So we have a square x cube, but here we have a square upon y cube. So it would be wise not to assimilate this with this. Okay, so we can bring x cube here instead. So let me just start with a fresh pen. So here a square x cube, let me bring down x cube here and take 8a square upon y cube to 8y cube. This makes sense, isn't it? Now, what do we hold as common between them? Obvious, x cube. What do we get here? A square minus 1. Why 1? Because x cube minus 1 would give me this, and x cube minus a square would give me this. Here we have 8 common in both these terms, and over 1 by y cube. So can we take 8 upon y cube as common, and we therefore get over here a square minus 1. Now this seems very conducive because we have these as common. So let's bring down the common part of both the boxes. This is one box, this is another box. And what is left here is x cube minus 8 upon y cube. Now guys, the story doesn't end up here. Now we have something more to add to it. And what would be that? Can we write this as a square minus 1 square? Of course we can. And can we write x cube minus 2 upon y whole cube here? We can, isn't it? y2, 2 into 2 into 2. So we can have a common exponent, that is 3 to it, is 8 and y cube. Alright. Now using. So I am using which all formula? A square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. I am using the cube formula, okay? A cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b. And since there will be a minus over here, remember guys, you have to have all the signs inside the second factor as pluses. Alright. So this is an easier way to remember. So we have this to be implemented for this and this. Okay, for this one. So we have over here what all? A minus 1 and a plus 1. Alright. A minus 1, a plus 1. Because our a is a and b is 1. Here, what do we have? We have a minus b. So what's our a? Okay, x. Simply x. See? A cube, x cube. So a, simply a. Don't get confused, okay? This is my b. So minus 2 upon y. Here, we have a square, which means x to be squared. Alright. And we have ab. So plus x dot. This is my a, and b is 2 upon y. And plus b square, which means 2 upon y whole square. Alright? So this is my curly bracket. Okay? If you want, you can just change this and make it this. Okay? X square. Now, what do we get out of here? The answer would be, obviously this will drop down, and from here we pull this upon 2 by y, and from here we have x square and this plus 2x upon y, alright, and in this plus 4 upon y square. So these were the 4 factors which we have resolved, okay, with this algebraic expression. Okay, so this is how you do. So if I have to reinforce, definitely we need to blend first. If there is x cube sitting away, we pull that closer so that it is easier, convenient to hold x cube as common between these two terms. Now we have 8 and 8 here, so 8 is common. A square is not here, so we leave that 2 inside, and 1 upon y cube is common between both of them. So as a result, 8 upon y cube happens to be the common factor between these two. 8 into a square upon y cube gives me this, but when I multiply by minus, okay, I get a plus here, so 8 into minus 1, minus 8 into minus 1 gives me 8 plus and y cube below. So having got this, I have found the 2 common factors between these 2 boxes. Okay, these are the blocks, and we pull this out, and then we are left with these 2 cubes. Now we are using this formula or this identity, okay, to resolve them into factors. So since this is equal to this multiplied by this, these are the factors. Similarly, we lay down this accordingly, choosing our a's as x and b's as 2 upon y. So a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. When we simplify this, we get this, and from here this comes down, this comes down. So as a result, this is our answer. Okay, so as simple as this, so not very difficult. Okay, so I'm bringing some more interesting, a little complicated factorization, okay, in the next video. So thank you for giving me your valuable time. Bye bye, see you soon. Bye bye for now, take care.